The Little Prince, sixth story, The Geographer. The little prince had already visited 5 different planets, and on each of them, he met someone new. On the 6th stop of his journey, he arrived on a planet that was 10 times bigger than all the ones before. On this large planet lived an old man who worked as a geographer. He sat behind a desk, surrounded by big books. His books were full of records about mountains, rivers, oceans, and deserts. The geographer looked serious, busy, and very important. The little prince greeted him politely. "Good morning, sir." "What is this planet?" The geographer answered proudly. "I am a geographer. I write about seas, rivers, mountains, and deserts." The little prince became very interested. "Oh, how wonderful! At last, I have met someone who has real knowledge about the world. Tell me, are there any oceans on your planet?" The geographer replied, "I don't know." The little prince was surprised. "What about mountains?" "I don't know," said the geographer. "And rivers?" "I don't know," the geographer answered again. The little prince grew more and more confused. "But you are a geographer. You are supposed to know about all these things." The geographer explained calmly, "A geographer is too important to go exploring. I never leave my desk. I do not go out to see the world. My job is to receive reports from explorers. When an explorer comes, I ask him questions and write down his observations. But I cannot go myself." The little prince thought for a while. "So you don't know anything about your own planet?" The geographer replied, "That is correct. But I rely on explorers. When someone comes, I check carefully if he is honest. If his report seems true, I write it in my book, but I do not write about things that are temporary. For example, a flower is too short-lived. A mountain lasts forever, but a flower can disappear. So I record mountains, rivers, and oceans, but not flowers." The little prince felt sad when he heard this. His beloved rose on his little planet was fragile, and the geographer considered it unimportant because flowers are temporary. He whispered softly to himself, "My flower is ephemeral, it may disappear so quickly." His heart became heavy with worry for his rose. The geographer, noticing his silence, spoke again, "Your planet is very small. It doesn't have much to record. But the Earth is a very big planet, full of mountains, rivers, seas, and deserts. It would be a good place for you to visit." The little prince stood up slowly. He thanked the geographer and prepared to leave. Inside, he felt both curious and anxious, curious to see Earth, and anxious because he realized his rose was fragile and needed care. With that, he left the 6th planet and began his journey toward Earth, where greater adventures and deeper lessons about love and friendship were waiting for him.